Oh, hello. My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and today I'm going to answer the question that a new investor has. And the question is, what is better for insurance, actual replacement cost policy or actual cash value if you are a real estate investor? Well, good question. Good question. First, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this video. So today's question is, what's better for an insurance policy? Should you purchase the more expensive actual replacement cost policy, or should you purchase the less expensive actual cash value policy? Okay. The answer is the choice between an actual replacement cost policy or an actual cash value policy depends on the specific needs and preferences of the real estate investor. An actual replacement cost policy typically provides more comprehensive coverage and may be a better option for investors who are looking to fully protect their real estate investment. This type of policy pays out the cost of replacing or repairing the property in the event of damage or destruction, without accounting for any depreciation. This means that the investor will receive enough compensation to replace the damaged property with a new one of similar value and quality. However, actual replacement cost policies tend to be more expensive. You're paying more money for that than actual cash value policies, as they offer more comprehensive coverage. Additionally, in order to receive full coverage, investors must make sure that their coverage limits are high enough to account for any potential rebuilding costs. On the other hand, an actual cash value policy factors in depreciation, which means that the payout may be lower than the actual replacement cost. This type of policy may be a better option for investors who are willing to accept a lower payout in exchange for lower premiums. Actual cash value policies can be a good option for investors who are looking to fully protect their investment from certain risks, but are not as concerned with fully replacing the property in the event of damage or destruction. Ultimately, the choice between an actual replacement cost policy or an actual cash value policy will depend on the investor's goals, risk tolerance, and budget. It is important to carefully consider the costs and benefits of each type of policy, as well as any exclusions or limitations before making a decision. Additionally, investors should work with a reputable insurance provider to ensure they have the coverage they need to protect their real estate investment. A good starting point for investors would be to get more education. If you would like to learn more about investing and related topics, just go to www.benjaminzmiller.com and fill out the contact form. You also can go to meetup.com and search for Benjamin Z. Miller on there, or you can go to linkedin.com and look for Benjamin Z. Miller. You can find my investor networking group, and you're invited. We have experienced investors, but we welcome new investors. I hope that helps, and I wish you good luck with your investing.